Does TCL Smart TV have web browser? TCL Smart TVs do not typically come with a built-in web browser, especially on Roku TV and Google TV models. Unlike some other smart TVs that include a pre-installed browser, TCL TVs prioritize streaming apps and entertainment over direct web browsing. However, there are still ways to browse the web on a TCL Smart TV through alternative methods. 1. Web browsing on TCL Roku TV. TCL Roku TVs do not come with an official web browser pre-installed. The Roku Channel Store offers some third-party browser apps, but these are very limited in functionality. Some options include Web Browser X, a basic browser that allows limited browsing but does not support video streaming or advanced web functions. Opera Browser, via screen mirroring. Since Roku does not support a native web browser, you can cast or mirror a browser from a smartphone, tablet, or PC using Miracast or AirPlay. 2. Web browsing on TCL Google TV and Android TV. TCL Smart TVs that run on Google TV or Android TV do not come with a default browser, but you can download and install one from the Google Play Store. Some popular options include Google Chrome. Can be installed using APK sideloading since it's not officially available on Google Play for TVs. Mozilla Firefox can be installed through sideloading or by connecting an external mouse and keyboard for easier navigation. Puffin TV Browser, one of the best web browsers designed for Android TV, offering smooth performance and support for video streaming. 3. How to use a web browser on TCL Smart TV. If you want to browse the internet on your TCL Smart TV, follow these methods. For Roku TV, use screen mirroring from a smartphone or PC via Miracast, Android.Windows, or AirPlay, iPhone.Mac. For Google TV or Android TV, Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your TCL TV. Step 2. Search for a web browser like Puffin TV Browser. Step 3. Install the browser and launch it from the Apps menu. Step 4. Use the remote or a connected keyboard mouse for easier navigation. TCL Roku TVs and Google TVs do not include a built-in web browser, but you can install a third-party browser on Google TV or use screen mirroring on Roku TV to browse the web. While web browsing is possible, TCL Smart TVs are primarily designed for streaming, and browsing functionality is limited compared to a computer or mobile device.